Hello traders, I hope guys you are enjoying a weekend. This week we had amazing trade guys. Let me share with you how we analyze and help our QBN traders to bank amazing profit. And if you look at the system, let's look at the Euro USD and the pound dollar. And if you look at the Euro USD, let's look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see here, the week start from here. And this is basically is the FOMC reaction, news reaction. What we manage both short and long trade. Being an intraday, we always squeeze amazing profit. And let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit. But if you look at the analysis at the beginning of the week, that's the pretty standard and straightforward. We can see a sideways market breakout. You can look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. That was the beautiful breakout long trade here. And after, if you look at as explained to our trader, after impulsive market develop another correction, so we have another, we were expecting another pullback long anyway, so we can see here this is the beautiful breakout, a very small trade, bank few pp's, and afterwards the market developed a consolidation, and after that we explained to detail. As you can see here, the price develop a false breakout here. That's the high probability of long. As you can see, a price nicely broken and hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. That was the beautiful trade. After banking some profit, this is the Asian session analysis. Then again in London morning, you can see just before London open, as explained, trader false breakout, let the price break or pull back. You can see here price nicely broken. Beautiful long trade here. After banking, as explained to trader, any pullback after this breakout, any pullback would consider high probability trade. Momentum is bullish, as you can see here. Price nicely develop another pullback, and later on we always pay attention to detail in the price action. Based on the 4 hour, we're expecting there's a possibility price might gonna break this level and afterwards keep taking a pullback short trade here. You can see we have another beautiful short trade, price nicely hit to the fib channel, which is the previous high. As explained, consider starting a stop loss or giving a suggestion to traders to bank some profit. And the pretty standard straightforward. We explained the market price has developed another structure. You can see here, as explained, the safest way, let the price break the structure. Within this structure, we were expecting this price action. As you can see here, the price nicely developed triple bottom. That's the high probability of long. As you can see, price nicely broken, hit to the previous low, previous high, and bank some profit. After banking, as always mentioned, you can see here, based on the previous analysis, price nicely hit. So pretty standard. As explained, any pullback would consider high probability trade. This is the last trade of the uh, week we had on Friday, bank some profit. So if you look at the pound dollar, guys, and if I show you the 4 hour chart, and if you look at here, the week start from here. As you can see here, we have a price move in waves. This is purely the FOMC news reaction. So after that, price nicely develop a bullishness. As you can see here, we have amazing trade and being an intraday, both long and short, and how we manage decent profit. And if you look at all the analysis, this is just the beginning of the week. That was the pretty standard and straightforward, beautiful structure breakout, another, and price even break the previous high. As soon as the price hit to the profit target in based on the 4 hour, that's what explain our traders time to bank some profit. After banking, as always mentioned, look for another pullback. Then later on, as explained, just keep taking a pullback, as you can see here, based on the momentum. As long as the momentum is bullish, mentioned here, keep taking a pullback. We have this one pullback, second pullback. Amazing trade. We give all the price action and suggestion to our traders. That's another beautiful breakout long trade here. Then after breakout, we'll explain to trader, let's wait for the price action. We already get early sign through intraday once the price hit to the 4 hour chart and major resistance level. If you look ahead, the price develop high and low, and explain here, let the price break this level, and after this breakout, you can see here this area, the price nicely retest this level. If you look at the bottom, the momentum was bearish. That was the beautiful after the breakout pullback confirmation, and beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, as always mentioned, we always pay attention to detail. At this area, the price was at the major support level in 4 hour. We explained price develop a low high is been developed. Let the price break this previous high and look. But if you look at here, the price action here, uh, let me explain to you. Let me give you a little bit You can see here the price nicely broken based on the 4 hour. You can see here price broken and give us the retest confirmation. That was the high probability of long trade here. Beautiful long trade, price nicely hit to the profit target. Bank some profit. After banking, as always mentioned, look for another pullback, which you can see here. We constantly monitoring the price action and helping our trader not to miss this opportunity. We have another beautiful pullback, long trade here, bank amazing profit, and afterwards again we always look for the price action. As you can see here, the price developed another symmetry triangle pattern, beautiful breakout, hit to the previous high, explain, bank some profit. That was a beautiful trade here. We have another beautiful, later on the price came down. Look for another structure. This is basically, this move was at the Asian session, but in the London morning session we can see this is the Asian session analysis. And as you can see here, the price activated at the London morning session, broken the structure, beautiful. After the breakout and the pullback, we explained to our trader bank some amazing profit. Pretty standard after this breakout. As you can see here, has mentioned here, momentum is bullish. Look for any pullback, would consider high probability trade. We announced this pullback. We also announced this pullback. Beautiful. And you can see here, traders bank amazing profit. And afterwards, we always look the price action here. Pretty standard. As you can see here, the price develop head and shoulder pattern. Based on that, as explained, look for the structure breakout. Beautiful. Amazing short trade, bank amazing profit. After that, looking for another pullback. This was the another beautiful pullback short trade here, bank amazing profit. And then later on, as mentioned here, look for pullback. If you look at we had this pullback, you can see here, but the price refused, as explained to what trader. Look for another pull long trade here based on that. And if you look at here, price action, price nicely broken after the breakout, price retest. That's another beautiful. And afterwards, we have another beautiful pullback long trade here. Then, as I explained to our trader, just keep taking a pullback. Amazing pullback, guys. Again, beautiful pullback long trade here. Then again, beautiful short trade here. As explained, look for pullback. If you don't, like a short trade here. So when we look at the price develop this type of structure, which we explain to our trader, that a possibility of breakout short trade, that's the high probability. We had a beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit after banking. Look for another pullback as explained here. We have another short trade on Friday, pullback short trade here. So you can see, guys, how we analyze. Even after that, we have another beautiful long trade. This is structure breakout. You can see here that was a beautiful breakout long trade, bank amazing profit. So you can see, guys, how we analyze the market in 4 hour, how we analyze the market in entry in intraday, and helping our traders to squeeze amazing profit. So if you want to see all that analysis in real time, most welcome, join our QBN Global team and enjoy all this analysis. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice weekend, guys, and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.